It's freaking cold.
That's like here in the parking lot today. Number 3.
What's good, ladies and gents? Got Nina ready to go on this road trip. The sun's just coming up. Hope y'all ready to go on this ride with me. Hopefully we'll have some fun. Let's go ahead and get us started for the day. It is what, 7:36 in the morning. I wanted to leave earlier, but you know, it happens. I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit, and I'll catch y'all back out on the highway. Just finished fueling up. It says we only got 98 miles before we need to fuel up again, but that'll change once I get on the interstate. Trying to get out of Bowling Green right now. We're going down to Atlanta for the Fastlane gang meet. So hopefully it'll open up my bits here, man. I'm fogging up in here. Get out here on the road. Take it easy. Sun is up. It is a little cloudy right now, but I'm not too worried about it. I think it'll be all right. Got my thermals on. I'm ready for this trip, man. Been wanting to do a long trip like this since I got Nina, so I figured why not today? Getting on the interstate, man. Getting on the interstate, we headed out of here. I got my 360 right there, so I'll probably get some ride footage. I'm not gonna talk the whole time, so I'll turn the 360 on and get a little bit of riding footage. As of right now, we on our way. Traffic is nuts, man. I'm ready to get out of it. 8.5 miles away from my destination. We made it. Not yet, but we made it. The meet I'm going to is a couple hours from now, so it's 3:40 here. The meet starts at 6. From Kentucky to Atlanta. We made it. About to chill out for a second. And then I'm about to go to this meet, man. We're gonna pull up. Actually right around the corner up here. Just gonna go ahead and check out this meet, see what's going on. Alright, so you see we made it. The bike's still pulling in. I'm gonna go around a little later, show y'all some of the bikes that's pulled up, show y'all some of the cars that are here. But y'all can see there's cars out there too, so we here, man. We're gonna walk around and see what's going on. I made the ride, man.
Trophy number 1.
Fastlane Duck.
Trophy out the car that is most likely.
Fastlane Day 2.
That sounds like a little drag racing. Trophy number 2. The best muscle.
That H2 is fire, bro.
The best muscle today. Okay. Trophy number 3. They got a rev
Mona. And of course the fabulous R1M.
right here in Atlanta.
What's up, my people? As you can see, we packed up, ready to go back. Last night was crazy. It was a crazy night last night. The meet was dope. Had fun. Yeah, your boy's exhausted though. I'll come back to you a little later. It's freaking cold. Oh, I got caught in the rain. Got caught in the rain. Lucky. I knew there was gonna be a chance of rain when I left yesterday. I knew it was gonna, there was a chance of rain for today. And I decided to take that chance. It is what it is. But again, it's freaking cold. I know I said I was gonna come back to y'all when I got to Bowling Green, but it's out here, it's raining. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this rainy ride home. Peace.